of the best things about documenting this whole process is that we can share all of the issues we faced with you guys so that hopefully you can be better prepared than we were and not run into those same issues. One of the main problems we faced, as you guys have seen, is that every single thing is delayed. The biggest delay in building lately has been for a reason that's completely out of our control, and that is weather. Now that it's spring, there's a lot of freezing rain. And rain is different than snow when it comes to construction because it creates this wet, muddy mess and it's really difficult to get anything done. So that's really slowed our progress, and we're hoping for some warm, sunny, dry days in the near future so that we can get dried in. We also received an estimated delivery date for our kitchen cabinets, and those should be delivered sometime in the middle of June. So we're hoping to get up north sometime in the next week so that we can get some shots for you guys on the framing progress. I know it doesn't look like it because it's literally snowing, but spring has finally sprung in Michigan. When we came up north about a month ago, we got some really cool drone footage of the foundation here, and now we're back to see the actual frame of our A-frame. So long after closing on our construction loan, going through the battle to get permits, dealing with the fact that there was no lumber for our A-frame kit, trying to coordinate delivery for 3 weeks, and then finally getting our kit delivered in January. The weather has proven to be a bit of a problem and caused some delays like many other things, but we're seeing a lot of progress here and we're really excited about it. On the other side there will be the dormer for our front door. And then somewhere on this side, either here or here, I think, will be the windows above the kitchen sink. There will be a staircase right when you come in the front door to get upstairs, and then this will be the loft area right here. Back here, there will be the 2 guest bedrooms, and then up there will be the master bedroom. They also have not put the septic in yet, but it's gonna go in back over here. Now I'm standing in front of our future window wall. He's going to have this amazing view of, oh my gosh, the sun's coming out, of all these evergreen trees.
I'm just happy to be here.
So we have been looking at other plots of land. We especially want something that's waterfront. And we found something really cool in Northport. It was how many acres was it? 0.2 acres. 0.2 acres across the street from the water, and great. So we submitted an offer, and then the listing agent told us
they said no.
That lot is considered wetlands, and that would be really difficult to build on. And you couldn't have underground septic, and it just got really complicated. So we moved on from that, but we're still on the lookout for any cool properties nearby, especially
so if you
on
see
the
something,
water.
say something.
Spring in Michigan is always a roller coaster. One day it's snowing and the next day it's warm enough to get started on the garden. I think I'm one of the few people that will miss the calm of winter and endless snowfall. But I'm really looking forward to warm summer days at the lake and a lot of progress on our build. So hang in there, sunny days are ahead, and we'll see you soon.